Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. You know how to preserve quicker oats after blending it. That is what I want to show you, because at times when you want to eat something like that, you are rushing and you want to eat it, or you feel like eating it, you just take it from where you put it and just make little of it and then eat. That is what I want to show you. So this is already the one I put here. From here I'm just going to blend it. It. Start to powder. What I will do, I'll just put it here. Remember the last video I showed you guys how this is scraped out. I took it from here. If you want to make swallow, I can still drink it as well, because this is my best breakfast so far. I love quicker oats. I love it in the morning. Don't put too much so that it can blend very well. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time in my next video. Bye. And remember.